Hey guys, this is Christian here. I'm basically doing a quick review about this HP TouchSmart 300 PC. It's a 20-inch diagonal touchscreen all-in-one HP unit. It's a pretty nice unit. Originally it comes with a 650 gig hard drive. It's got 4 gigs of memory. For those of you that care about the technicalities and the specs, it takes the same type of memory as what a laptop would. It's not the full size memory modules. Originally it comes with 4 gigs of RAM, which is DDR3. So I'm pretty sure I can take this bad boy up to 16 gigs and maybe more. I'm not too sure. I haven't looked into the BIOS, but I can definitely take it up to 16 gigs of RAM. It's a nice touchscreen unit. Let me show you some specs here. Zoom in real quick. It originally comes with Windows 7, and it has an AMD Athlon 2. I believe it's an what does this have? It's an A2 processor. I mean, it's not the best, but hey, you can't beat that. It's a nice unit. It's got Wi-Fi, built-in webcam on top, as you see here on top. Hopefully you guys can see this in the video because it's such a big unit here. And it's got, I'm sure it's got Bluetooth, it's got optical drive, it's got all the goodies. I'm sure it's got pretty loud speakers on. This is the speakers on the bottom, the built-in speakers. So this is just a quick review, and once again, this is the HP TouchSmart 300 PC model 301003. As I looked it up in the back. So let me know what you guys think. As it is right now, to be honest, I don't have it plugged in, and I believe that it has a bad hard drive. It's not the end of the world, but I will be making another video pretty soon here today, either today or tomorrow, how to replace your hard drive on this unit right here. So if you guys like my video, please hit the like button, make a comment if you have any few questions or concerns, how to do a few things on this unit and whatnot, and please subscribe to my channel, as this will definitely help out with my YouTube channel growing, and I appreciate all you guys, what you guys all do for me. Okay, alright, thank you, and I will see you folks next time.